What will this shell script do? Is it option A, add an extension .new to all the files in the directory? Or option B, add an extension .new to only one file in the directory? Or option C, error will be encountered? Or option D, none of the mentioned? Now if you look at this line, here a for loop is used in which $1 is the first argument, and here a wildcard is used in which all the occurrences of the files will be checked. And now in this line the mv command is used, which will change the extension of the file to file.new for all files, as here the wildcard is used. Hence our option A, add an extension .new to all the files in the directory, will be the correct answer.